In this video, we guide you through how to change your age on Discord Mobile by updating your date of birth. First thing you need to know is that Discord does not allow you to manually edit your date of birth inside the app once it's set. If your age is incorrect, open the Discord app, tap your profile icon, go to Account, and check your current birth date. To change it, you'll need to contact Discord support by going to Settings, scrolling to Support, and selecting Submit a Request. Choose Trust and Safety, explain that your date of birth is incorrect, and attach a valid ID if requested. Once Discord reviews and updates your information, your age on Discord Mobile will be corrected. So that's it.